Hey, Wulf. Wulf. Hey, Wulf. Wulf. Wulf, I have to leave, Wulf, today. It's about 4 hours. Too long? No, you just be good. Be good at home with Felix, okay? I'm gonna leave the AC on so you don't get hot, okay? Because the temperature is gonna be hot for the next 1 week. Okay, Wulf Wulf. Say I love you. Hey, sit. Okay, sit. Wulf, Wulf. Wulf is very excited because I have his favorite. It's beef liver. Okay, Wulf. Enjoy, Wulf. Say thank you, Erin. Come on. Okay, here we go, Papa. Oh. Wulf. Yesterday you look extra tired, Wulf. Is it because the heat, Wulf? You know what? I saw you yesterday. You slept in front of the fan. Despite, the air conditioner is on also. That's not enough. That's not enough cold. You want Alaska cold? Yeah, I know. You partly breed Alaskan malamute, Wulf, not just husky. All right, Wulf Wulf. Hey, Wulf. Okay. So noisy. It's still in the morning. Most people still sleeping, Wulf, because this is weekend. So, since this is weekend, what do you want to do? You just want to go out, but the weather is still hot. We can only do it maybe at night, okay? Yeah, one day we will live in the colder place, okay?